welcome to my channel. This is Grace Tutor, and what I do here, I solve technical drawing problems and also provide very important information that you can make use of for you to have a better performance in your technical drawing examinations. And if you are new to this YouTube channel, you are watching my video for the first time, you are welcome, and I want to ask you that as technical drawing student, you need to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and you need to put on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified, and help me to share my videos with your friends who are also technical drawing students or engineering drawing students. Okay, very important, as I usually say, that you need to practice this subject. It's a practical subject. You need to practice it for you to master it, for you to be able to solve any problem that comes your way. You need to practice it. So right now I want to show you how you can produce the auxiliary plan of these orthographic views. So these orthographic views are given a first angle projection. So it means that this is the front elevation, this is the plan, and this is the end elevation. And then we want to I want to produce the auxiliary plan, the auxiliary plan, or the first auxiliary plan. Okay, as we have here, so the first auxiliary plan is to be produced on this given plane x1 y1, which is inclined at an angle 30 degrees to the horizontal. So, and then what you need to do, as I usually say, that when it comes to this, when it comes to the construction of the auxiliary views, what you just need to do first is to replicate the views that you are given. Whether you are drawing the auxiliary plan or auxiliary elevation, what you just need to do first is to replicate the given views, that is the front elevation and the plan, with the use of the given dimensions. But in this case, I'm using half of the given dimensions. That means the given dimensions, I'm dividing them by 2. Then as I said, I need to replicate this. So that is what I've done here. So I've replicated the front elevation and the plan. I don't have to draw the end elevation. So, and this is the plane upon which we have to produce the auxiliary plan. So the plane is inclined at an angle 30 degrees to the horizontal. So the next thing that you need to do now is to draw lines. Project lines from the front elevation. You have to draw the auxiliary plan. You have to project lines from every point, from each point on the given elevation onto this plane, and those lines, they will be at right angle to the given plane. That means they have to be perpendicular to the given plane. So as we have drawn this line with 30 degree set square, then for us to draw the lines that will be at right angle to this plane, we have to make use of 60 degree side of our set square. So I'm going to pause the video while I project the lines. Okay, all right, so I projected the lines from each point on the front elevation. As I said, these are the lines. So the next thing that we are going to do here is that we are going to take a measurement distance from here to here, from here to here on the plan, because we are drawing auxiliary plan. So we have to take a measurement distance from here to here and put it here. So the total distance from here to here is 38 millimeters. So what I'm going to do now is to take a measurement of 38 millimeters. So from here, so 38 millimeters. So this is 38 millimeters. Okay, so with 30 degree side of my set square, I will draw this line, and then I also need to take this distance from here to here, which is 6 millimeters. So I'll take a measurement of 6 millimeters from here. So, and I will mark it here. So I will draw this line in this direction. So the reason why I'm drawing this line, I'm going to tell you. So I draw this line in this direction, so I believe you can see it. Now, as I usually say, that when it comes to the construction of auxiliary views, you need to sketch the isometric view of the object given to you. Very, very important. That will help you, and that will enable you to quickly get the auxiliary view drawn. So which I've done here. This is the isometric view, as you can see it here. So this object is being viewed. It's being viewed from here. Now, it's being viewed from here. So it means that when I'm doing it from here, I'm going to see this rectangle. I will see this rectangle. I will see this part. I will see this rectangle. I will see this rectangle, and then I'm going to see this part here. I'm going to see this part here. So those are the things that we are going to put in the auxiliary plan, and this surface will surely be there. So those are the things that we are going to put in the auxiliary plan. So let's go. So let us start with this rectangle here. I want to start with this rectangle. So let's look at how we can get that rectangle drawn. That's the purpose of this thing that this line that I drew here, which I take its measurement from here to here. So let's start. So for this rectangle that we have here, so this point that we have here is at this point. Okay, it's at this point. So I will follow this line. So when I get here, so I have this point, and the next one that I follow, which is this point, is at the front here. This is the point. And then for the other one, so I move from here to here, so this point, and then so I have the other one here like this. So I'm going to make this with a thick line. So this will be a thick line. I want us to do it one by one so that you can understand how this can be done. Okay, so this is the rectangle that we have at the top. All right, so then let us get this rectangle. Let's get this rectangle, and let's get this rectangle out. So for this rectangle that we have here, so this point and this point, so this point that we have here, so this point here is here. Okay, it is this point, and this point that we have here, so is at this point here. So I'll just need to come here, so I have it here, so here and here. Then what about this point that we have here? So you need to come down here. So this point that we have here is here. So you just need to come down. So you follow this line like this, and this is the point. Then you follow this, which is this point that we have here. So when you follow this, you come like this. So you have this point. So we only need to join this together. So I'm going to join this together like this. Then I will join this together like this. Okay, so the next one, which is this rectangle that we have here, so this point and this point, they are here and here. So for this one, I've located this point. This is the point, and for this, I follow this line, so I have the point here. So to get this point and this point, so I will come here. So I follow this line like this. So this is the point. For this one, so coming down like this, so this is the point. So I will connect this together. Connect this together like this, and I will also connect this together. Okay. All right. So we are moving on. So the next one that we have here. So the next thing that we are going to do here is that let us get this shape out. This shape, let us get it out. So this line, let's get this line first. Where is this line? So this line is from here to here. It's from here to here. So if I follow this line like this, I have this point. If I follow this line like this, I have this point here. This is the point. So I will connect this together. Connect this together like this. Okay. Then what about this line? This line, so it starts from here and it ends here. So it starts from here and it ends here. So I'm going to connect this together like this. All right, so I believe you can see it. Then what about this line that we have here? So this line that we have here, where is it? So it is from here to here, from here to here, like this. Okay. And what about this line from here to here? This line from here to here. So it is from here to here. So we have the first point here, and here we have it here. So this is going to give us a straight line. just a straight line, complete straight line. So we are not done, we still have some things to put here. So if you look at what we have here, if you look at this part, there is a line here. There's a line here, so which is hidden from us here. So that line, we have to put it there. So the line, it goes like this. Let me show you. It goes like this. Okay, so it is hidden from us on this part, so we need to put it there. So where do we have it? So if I follow, it is here. So this is where it is inside, so we can't see it. So if I follow this line like this, so it starts from here, and it ends what? It ends here. And then the vertical one, which is here, is around here. So I'm going to draw this with short dashes line. Okay, and then I will draw this with short dashes line to show that it is an hidden part of the object. Okay, so we are done with that. So the next one that we are going to do is that, so I can see this line here. I can see this line. So where do we have it? So we have it. So we have it around. So we have this line that we have here. Let's get this line for this line that we have here. So we have it here, from here. So it's go to this point. So I'm going to draw this line. So this will be drawn with a thick line like this. Okay, so the vertical part of it, so this line I'm taking over the vertical part of it, which is this one. So we don't have any problem with that. Then there is one line that you can't see. That line is what? Is from here. So it goes backward then to this point. So this point, after we produce this down, so the line is under, so we can't see it. So this is its point here. So we need to draw it. So I will follow this line. So and it starts from the back here to the front here to this point. So I will draw it from here with short dashes line. Okay, so I believe you followed me and this is clear to you. Alright, so this is the auxiliary plan that we are asked to produce. So the next video will be on the auxiliary elevation. So thank you for watching and thank you for listening. Keep on practicing. God bless you.